same flu, Lindy, strikes cats too.
Yeah, IndyVet's Dr. James Speiser is here to talk about that, plus some other common cat illnesses you need to know about if you have one. So yeah, we were just talking about the canine flu, and now Peter.
That's right. Well, interestingly, the H3N2 canine flu virus can also affect cats. We discovered that last year in a cattery in northern Indiana. But it really just creates upper respiratory symptoms similar to many other viruses that we see in cats that cause cold-like symptoms such as runny eyes, runny nose, they're sneezing, they don't feel good, they're not eating. And most of those are treated very easily with antibiotics or decongestants and so forth.
So you just take them in like right away when you see something that seems off?
Yeah, most veterinarians can easily treat those particular symptoms. Other things that we see that are common in cats certainly are ear infections. We have various yeast, we have bacteria, ear mites. Those are obviously easily treated with medicaments and so forth. No problem there. Other things, dentistry, they have some pretty unique dental problems, cats do, where they have a problem with their gum, and the gum then actually induces cavities that erode into the tooth, right into the root canal, and they're very hard to see. So consequently, these cats are painful, they're irritable, they don't want to eat, they lose weight, and it's commonly missed. Most pet owners can't really see these lesions, so they're commonly missed, and these cats really is a pretty severe health problem. And the only thing that can really be done is these teeth need to be extracted and the gum disease treated by a veterinarian.
Because not taking care of your pet's teeth can lead to things years down the road, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. Another common problem we see in cats is urinary tract issues. Cats are unique in that they form these little tiny crystals in the urine, and you can actually see them. They're like very fine sand particles, and they're kind of sharp. So what it does is it irritates the lining of the urinary bladder and urethra, so you can see them urinating frequently. You'll see some blood in the urine, and in male cats these crystals will get admixed with some mucus and create a plug and cause a urinary tract obstruction, which can be life-threatening.
Now, one thing I found interesting when we were talking in the break is I just assumed cats and dogs have a flu season, but it can be any time of the year, huh?
Yeah, there's really not a flu season for canine flu, and or is there a season really for respiratory viruses in cats?
Now, I'm thinking that the respiratory virus those symptoms can look a lot like a lot of other things.
Yes, they certainly can. All of the respiratory viruses with this, being congested and sneezing and so forth are very common with many other different types of viruses. The two most common viruses that we see also, feline immunodeficiency virus and feline leukemia virus, where are viruses that actually affect. Feline immunodeficiency virus actually suppresses the immune system. It actually doesn't cause disease itself, but it will cause cats then to be susceptible to other diseases.
And this stuff can be deadly, you say, if, you have a pretty old pet.
Well, yes,
yeah,
it can be. All of these diseases are usually pretty easily treated, but if the cats are old or they have other diseases, then like the respiratory viruses, for instance, they can get pneumonia, and then that can cause their demise.
Lots of info. Thanks to you and Peter for coming in.
Yeah, Peter's been
pets
good.
With human names. It's the best. Your wife's cat.
This is my wife's cat, yeah. He likes her better than me.
No! Thank you for coming in. And Dr. Speiser is with IndyVet Emergency and Specialty Hospital. If you want a list of their services and some educational opportunities, just go to fox59.com/links. 9:17 now. Let's head over to Jim.
All right, thanks a lot, Lindy. We're at 9:17, as you mentioned. Temperature holding in the